In this lesson, we're going to put a string of numbers in order from greatest to least, and we have a mix of different types of numbers. We have decimals, we have fractions, we have positive and negative and mixed numbers. Okay, so the question asks us put the numbers below in order from greatest to least. So step one is to remember that positive numbers are greater than 0 and negative numbers are less than 0. Okay, very important. Step two, to compare decimal numbers and mixed numbers, convert all the numbers into decimal form. So let's take -1/5 and let's change it into a decimal. And you could put this in your calculator and you'll find that -1/5 is equal to -0.2. Okay, so remember how to convert a mixed number. Let's convert this mixed number now into a decimal. So here's our mixed number, 2 1/4. And the first thing you do to change it into a decimal or a fraction is you multiply this together. So 4 times 2. And then you add this, okay? So it'll look like this. So 2 times 4 is the first operation you do, and then you add 1, and then the denominator will stay the same. So that equals 9/4, and then when you put that into your computer or your calculator, you'll see that it equals 2.25. We could have done that a little bit more quicker. We could see that 2 1/4 is 2.25, and we should know that 0.25 is the same as a quarter, okay? So the next step, we want to put the numbers from greatest to least. So start with the positive numbers first. Negative numbers are smaller than positive numbers, right? So we know that 2.25 is greater than 0.3. Right? So here's our 0.3, and here's our two positive numbers that we're dealing with. So now we know that the negative number is the smallest. So if you put them in order, 2.25 is greater than 0.3, and 0.3 is greater than -0.2. That's what this notation means. Okay? So when we put them because this is the only negative number, it is worth the least, so we know it goes last, right? So finally, the correct order is 2 1/4, 0.3, and -1/5. Okay, and that's the entire lesson. Don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. You could take a look at the description. I have other videos that are similar to this. You could take a look at those as well. You could download the ebook. There's a link in the ebook that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.